and welcome back to Captains of Industry. Sorry, Captain of the Industry. Okay, so we left off. Where did we leave? Food was stabilizing thanks to this new irrigated farm. I was also considering operating this one, but for that I do need a bit of a stock of construction components. I was also solving some other issues. The bridge is being built to that side, so we can start working on cement. We were also considering building a dedicated dirt storage here, so these trucks wouldn't have to drive that far. That's also an option. Right, and the brick production here was, the idea was to also improve that. So the problem is right now we need more bricks. For more bricks, we need more coal, and for more coal, well, we're trying to get more coal. What's that research that allows you to specify where you want? I guess this custom modes. I'm guessing this is the one, yeah, where it will allow me to set that this mining operation only outputs to some storages here to prevent the trucks from driving all over the entire map. Okay, so how repopulation wise we are full. We did prepare this new expansion, which we could afford right now. That's my biggest priority right now, is to get the coal operational. Right, the coal is being delivered here, so my current consumption of coal, if I'm not mistaken, is fuel production and iron production. Right, and of course, copper production should also be consuming coal. Okay. What I could do here is go for a loose storage, like there. There we go, and back down. And let's say I want this thing to have a bunch of coal constantly. This should be built quite quickly, hopefully at least. Then I can also just make another one here. Like that, and let's say this one is passively gaining copper ore. Here we go. Now the potential issue could be with, let me just, my sound setting. It does feel like it's quieter again. Let's try it. I can definitely hear something now. Very good. Okay. So this seems to be fine. This seems to be fine. So yeah, the copper is now gonna be mined out a bit more in advance. So this will essentially act as a buffer. Then if we start excavating a more dirt heavy area, there's more time to react. So that copper production can then permanently run, potentially at least. But we do need more coal for this. So need more coal for this. Should I maybe dedicate a couple more trucks to coal just to get it started again? Well, not started, just to give it a bit of a kick. You can't drop resource. Dirt, slag, waste. Could this rock here be full? No, it's not. Actually, even slag isn't full. So this really has no reason to not be functioning. Let's see. Could look into the potential ship repair thing. Yeah, I'll just queue it up. I have you paused because I didn't have enough workers previously, but I'm gonna unpause since it's not an issue right now. You can stay paused for now. Trade some resources in. Oh, I could even get these things, which I don't. Okay, I could go with some extra coal, since I'm really starved for that right now. And yeah, once this thing starts operating again, I could start unlocking these things. This. Don't want to do that one, so that this will still be supplied by trucks. Where everything else can be made, so that I'm then ready for the final step. Excellent. Terrain leveling. That we don't need just now. To claiming you can drop resources, but I'm quite sure, yeah, dirt is allowed to be dropped, so this area can dump dirt. The bridge that's being built there. Okay, so we said we want to have you collect coal. Very good, very good. And I'll set this one to be full as well. Okay, it's already set to be full. Okay, and you're gonna need just normal construction parts, so I can unpause you. Amount of workers should not be an issue. Now the biggest issue is just getting enough coal to this place. Once that's done, you should be fine. And we don't have a truck here because we have enough soil as is. Okay, I'm gonna remove this now, since this is starting to empty slowly. Okay. This one operating. This one is not yet operating, since it doesn't have coal yet. Come on. Where are my coal trucks? So you're gonna dump dirt there and you could just dump the coal. There you go. There you go. And once that's done, I think this building should kick in, and as soon as this one kicks in, I'll then also fully automate that one. I'm gonna switch to auto. Let's unpause this and this construction. There we go. I could take a line up here, but I won't, at least not for now. And okay, this seems to be working fine. I add an extra truck here. I will remove 2 trucks from here for now. Until I get this advanced logistic control. At that point I will specialize this area a bit more. So you are trying to replant trees there. That means I want to get rid of these trees here, so I get some extra space to build infrastructure there. Now let's go back to red limestone, coal, cement. So cement, how do I... Oh, no, this is the recipe for cement, right? So crushed slag I already have. Now the next thing would be either sand or manufacture sand. Sand I can collect there for free, essentially. So I'm not gonna worry about that too much. So yeah, until I get to the limestone here and to the sand here, I don't have much to do with the slag. I could, I guess, store it a bit more, but I'm not sure it's actually worth it to store that even further. Okay. So, what do we have here? Everything here is fine. Terrain leveling was done. How's our brick production now actually looking? So this was a period of stable brick production. It was 16.8, 16.8. So let's say about 12. We'll see what's gonna happen now. The problem is we're not bringing enough coal into here. So I think that I could potentially do, once this is done, how much is what's the cost? Does this thing cost advanced materials? Yes. was thinking about making just a super long belt, like somewhere here, and then have a loose storage here, and the trucks could come and pick up from here, while the mining operation would just stay here, and I wouldn't have to transport over such a long distance. But I'm not sure that's really an option at this point. How are we with wood? Acceptable. I could also go for that, right? For more wood and just make more coal here. What is this? How much is that? That's 2 people per. Let's go for it. Let's go. So that's metallurgy coal maker. Let's go with 3. I think it's a flat system here. Did forget to do the blueprint, but mode. But I think it's fine. Oh. Okay, this is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna correct the error. Wait, does that work? I thought that wouldn't actually work since it then connects right next to the output, but apparently it can work. Okay. And I'm going to preemptively make another tree harvester with another truck. Advanced logistics control is done. Excellent. So, how are we gonna solve this now? We're gonna say that export, you will always export coal to there. So I think now coal should not be exported anywhere else. Now dirt and slag and stuff will still be transported elsewhere, but at least in regards to dirt, we're solved with that part. Could say here, like of course, iron. Okay, yeah, okay, I see what the issue there is. Okay, let's just remove those two. They don't make much sense actually. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We do have a bit of coal here now. I am still not seeing any trucks nearby. How are we with saplings? Saplings are fine. Like I will be removing this farm later on at one point once we get surplus of saplings, and actually more than that once we get the idea where to move this, or if I'm gonna need more space here to make more things. Okay, so now let's allow this to properly flow. Yes, vehicle parts. Okay, not an actual problem. Could I do something stupid like this? Oh, this can be actually automatically fed. Okay. Okay then. Well, I'll still make this one, so I'll create a buffer so that when I'm building vehicles, I can then very quickly build a bunch of them. Tree harvester has no truck assigned. Yes, we'll solve that immediately. So how's our coal? Oh, I forgot one part of this of this complex here. Let's go with this. Like that. Okay, this is it. There we go. Now I have this as the input, this is the output, and these should just work essentially. As soon as this is built up, and we should have enough resources for that. to not be an issue to build. Yep. Okay, excellent. Then, what's next? What's next? Okay, this is actually already working. Excellent. We just need the construction materials here. Settlement water. Okay, so what could I do in regards to that? Let's say, so water. I have this groundwater reservoir here, which has 10,000, which doesn't sound like a lot, to be absolutely honest. Yeah, I guess I can still. I guess I'll still try to make it work. Oh, and this also has sewage water, right? Can I somehow disable that part? Seem like it. Since right now this is gonna use trucks massively. What I could do is like a truck crossing area here maybe to connect these systems up to there. Okay. Now what I could actually do is not that. That was not my intention. So vegetables would be connected like that. And potatoes would go like this. So where do they go down? I think at this place. Okay, I'll actually still go up here to make sure that the dump trucks have enough room there. So this should even help with less truck usage for that specific demand. We'll also add a liquid dump. One more here. I sure this is 3 more blocks. I will I'll reposition it as needed there. So pipes will be then going from here over here down there. That's one of the pipe connections, and the other pipe connection will then go from here. Can I go? Really, I can't. I thought I could just go over the rain collector area, but apparently that's not an option. Let's go to over here, and then cross like that, and back up. I'm not sure what's happening there. Okay, go over here. There we go. This might have been a bit overzealous, but we'll see. Okay, we definitely need more trucks now. Like this might have been a bit too expensive of a project so early, because I'm not sure if it's worth it at this point. Does it completely eat up my construction parts too? And construction parts 1 are also quite weak right now. However, they should be producing without much of a problem if it wasn't for the bricks missing dirt of all things. Yeah. Okay, let's give it another truck here. I guess now that we have this And okay, the wood seems to be still also fine. So this type of coal production should work for a while. Okay. So now we have this. Now we have food really well established, I think. Okay, we could add some protein treats. Yeah, as we get them. For now, let's work on this. How are you guys doing with water? You're not so happy about water considering, yeah, you essentially have too much sewage water there. Okay, so the issue now is still bricks. So how many bricks do I need? I need 4 bricks per 40, so I need 16 bricks, 16 bricks per 40 seconds, which is exactly what I'm producing in theory if I had the dirt for it, which I don't apparently, because that takes a lot. Okay, is there something that I'm missing here? Bricks, consumption, production? No. Bricks just need a megaton of, and that's just different factories. It's all the same recipe. Like it's 1-to-1 brick to construction part. Yeah. Okay, so nothing really we can do here. You will be dumping the bad water. You will be. What am I gonna do regarding this? Not sure. This does depend on how much these guys dig and how much of the stuff that these guys dig is actually polluted with, well, polluted, just done with dirt. Oh, areas outside of mining zone. I see. Let's edit the area and make it just like this. Now, it's good. Okay, our bridge is slowly coming along. And we have housing 2 available. Now, as soon as we have 80 of these, I'm gonna build this second thing because we are out of workers essentially now. That should be quite soon, hopefully. Okay. And after that, how are we with the better power? We're not there yet. Okay, so let's see now quickly. I could go with 3 here. That's not an option. That's not an option. Like I could go with 1 more here if I move the pipe. So it's, yeah, I'll go with these 2 first and then I'll see over time how we're gonna expand further. For now, let's just, okay, I think I can start this construction and do this as well. We should be done with that very fast. Okay, so captain's office, I think. I think I'm still gonna build it, and then I'll see if I'm gonna keep it active essentially. Ah, I can. Okay, I can just pause it like this. So I can increase the passive population growth, which I don't need right now. I can increase unity gain, which I don't need right now. And these, yeah, none of these, I mean, it would be okay, but I'm not gonna use them just now. And we have room for more workers. Excellent. I think I'll also unpause this one, so we can finally start making our way towards the advanced research. And this should now... Okay, so the next thing they want is electricity, which we are not getting just yet. Okay. So this takes power 2, yeah. Desalination is an option. Biofuel. I like the concept of biofuel. Like the concept of more power generation, of course. Burner is just getting rid of waste, which I'm using it as landfill right now. So not just now. Pipes, better pipes. I don't care about that just now. Uh, what's the difference? This is just faster, I guess. Okay, again, not that important. And settlement power is what they want next. So, to actually make some progress, we're gonna go with power generation. And we're gonna go with biofuel. Then I'll see what else I'll come up with afterwards. And we are awaiting a couple more refugees in a couple of months. You will be ready with this stuff soon-ish. What's the issue? Mechanical parts might be problematic. For what reason? Are you using mechanical parts as well? Yes, you are. Okay, so what might be a good option is to add 2 places that can make mechanical parts, I guess. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so what warnings do we have right now? Not enough workers, it's fine, and this place doesn't have enough dirt. This is really amazing right now. I'm a bit actually worried in regards to that, because... Okay, I can order this area to be like that. So let's say... Okay, we have some new workers and we have room for a couple more. We might actually just get another excavator then for the dirt. But I don't remember. Sure how never had this problem before with dirt production. Let's do it like this. And I'll then add an extra excavator and like 1 or 2 more extra trucks down there. Did they bring anything fun? Nothing special. I guess the shipyard should soon then also be researched. And I can, I think, afford to do that and start searching around with the ship to get maybe some trades. Maybe even some permanent trades for some of the raw resources, so I don't have to use up the iron that much. I'm not sure if that's an actual problem that you can run out of resources or not, but I just tend to play games in a way where I'm trying to achieve stability as soon as possible. Okay, you're still waiting to be upgraded. This is taking a absurd amount of time. Say if I go with assemblies, can I go with... I can go with a single assembly here, I can't do more than one due to that hole there. So how will I solve this? Not so sure. Just to make sure I'm not dropping that. There is some sort of building, I don't remember how it's called. So like you have the mind control tower, you also have some sort of some other tower that's I think meant for dumping. Vehicle mining, yeah. Ah, there we go. Tree planting, yes. Water recovery cooling tower. And power generation cooling tower too. So that's not it. That's definitely not it. I thought there was a way how that I could say, let's say, this area here should dump only these resources, that area there should dump other resources effectively. That's what I'm hoping for. So I could expand the factory there a bit. So I would say, let's say, there I'm gonna dump slag, here I'm gonna dump trash. Or is it just a managed area? Yeah. That's no, this is just for mining. No, but it. Okay, blueprints. Don't need them just yet. And what's this thing? This is super cheap. I'm gonna risk it. Buy one there and build one there. Okay, so you are responsible for that bridge, and you're gonna be dumping only waste, and you're gonna be dumping only slag. Here we go. No available place to dump resource. Copper ore, that's fine. Why are you notifying me? Rock or dirt? Rock. Rock can be dumped. Okay, so that's a different issue then. Rock we said we want to process into gravel or hydrogen fluoride into slag. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Okay, I think I'm gonna say you here are allowed to dump rock. If I wasn't crazy, there we go. Can you now drive there and dump the rock? Yes, you can. Okay. I think it's not quite working. Ah, okay. So I, in general, don't allow anything to be dumped, but then I can say, okay, but here you are allowed to dump slag and dirt, rock. Okay. Now I should have a couple of things available there. And we can work on that, getting more dirt, so that we can get more bricks, so that we can just expand more, essentially. Seem to be working as fast as possible. So what I would like to do next is essentially move these three things. Right, for that I am already working on this. As soon as that's done, guess I could start. Right, I can blueprint it out. So what we're gonna be needing is copper plates, rubber, iron plates. Iron plates we're getting here, and we're getting mechanical parts out. And the other plates are going at the bottommost layer. So this I could actually build very close. So manual assembly for now, till I do proper electricity. So just like this, another one over here. And you would then be producing mechanical parts, and you would also be doing mechanical parts. And I would just connect this like that. Not sure if I did something wrong there. No. There we go. Okay. So that's ready. And now this could output the mechanical parts. And also then if I add rubber and copper, which I'm gonna do here with 2 unit storages, so rubber. Let's go like this. So this would be mechanical parts, out this would be rubber. Copper, for instance. So I keep on typing here, and it automatically goes to that search bar. Like, it's completely fine. I'm just used to moving the camera in the background. Essentially, okay. And this would be mechanical parts. So one out, down here, and down there. That's definitely not what I was going for. That's, again, not exactly what I was going for. There we go. Third time's the charm. Now, the question is, can I? I think I can't, but, what is it? E? I can't go. Let's go here. Let's go then one up. Okay. In that case, let's go there. Really? There we go. And two over here. I think I did a whoopsie there. Okay, let's try again. I want you to go out. I want you to go over there. And then up here. And then over there. Okay, yeah, now it's fine, now it's fine. And you, I would like to... You, I would like to go 2 up to get over here. Can I go? Oh. Yeah, I think I know what the problem is. They can't go right past that point there. Okay, I could do this and then go out into this direction. This allows me now to build 2 of these. If I would, of course, actually connect on this place here, which I of course did not do because I had the snapping off. There we go. So this is now ready to then take these 2 factories, which would be outputting electronics. Yeah, and then I need to store the electronics somewhere. So that's the last challenge here. How's the dump progress? Slowly. Surely we're getting there. Then I need to move this thing a bit. So this will be like that, placed like that. Alright, I'll just wait it out. So we are looking at how many blocks? We're looking at 5 blocks. We need to have the assemblies 5 blocks away. So this would be here. And this one would be then for the electronics. So connect to there, connect to there. And then output. I go 1 out, I go down here. And I think I would then connect to that place. I think that's it. Okay, while we were doing this, I did not pay attention to my migration status. So what I'm gonna quickly now do is just build a container housing extension there. Next thing is we're working on this. So new refugees, stacker we got, we don't need that right now. Ship repair dock, we can afford to start that. That would take 100 construction parts. We'll wait for the settlement to, it's not. Let's start the repair there. In that case. So how's the dumping situation here? Almost done actually, okay. I will begin construction of a second mind control tower. That will be placed here for now, just so it's out of the way of... No. Let's go over here, so it isn't blocking the inputs there. Let's make it happen. Let's set it to be like that and say you can dump slag and you can dump rock. There we go. And you shall be demolished. Turn off planning phase now. And place another warehouse over here. And can I actually somehow see the entire cost of this? Yeah, so actually not even that expensive, so a bit more of the basic construction parts which we did massively use up right now. I can't do any upgrades to the ship yet. right? Yeah. Okay. Let's keep the ship full. Okay, if I do auto repair. Okay, yeah, that's. We can afford the iron plates. It's just gonna be a question of logistics of getting that stuff there. We can do the beacon a bit. Okay, excellent. Okay. This guy's waiting for the new place to dump, which will be here, I think. There we go. And then I can also expand this. You go to this height, I believe, and you go to that height. Right, and since I'm out of that mode, I'm already building some of this stuff. Okay, let's slowly start building here from this side. You can also be built. Let's just wait out the trucks for now. How's the ship doing? Ship's still waiting for more stuff to arrive. Okay. But okay, so now to feed research, we just need iron and a bit of copper, which shouldn't be a problem at this stage. Are we producing, taking rubber to a warehouse anywhere? We are not at the moment. Which is what I'm gonna do once I dismantle these guys over here. Okay, let's now go build this segment and this segment. How are we? This is fine. Rubber wise, we're fine. And I think I can actually then just do all of them now. World exploration is unlocked. Excellent, excellent. Anything special? Right, I should probably load crew. We can afford that. We should. I can do the keep empty thing, but I'm not sure if I can actually store all of these things here. Okay, so now let's go to the world map, which would be tab, and let's explore the first place. Okay, considering I could just order this as well, I think, for now. Oh, I have it That's why it was taking forever. It was paused, I think. Yeah, I'm... okay, okay, it's fine now, it's fine. Everything's fine now. Everything's great. Okay, so now let's go remove these three. And as soon as this is done, gonna be still a bit. Now that this is done, let's just add you over here. This is the way. Okay, location explored. We found some materials and that's it. Okay, sure, I hope I have enough fuel for that. Fuel reserves 1,300 kilometers. Yeah, okay. Okay. Pom. So what's the issue here? Missing input. Can you not be... I mean, you should be able to be delivered by truck, right? Ah, it's a lower maintenance issue. Okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. I guess I could... this. Building ground floor. Uh, building ground floor conveyors is usually a tad bit risky. Okay. Okay. And you're returning now. Good. Let's get you back and see what good things you bring. Okay. So this stuff is now running. I am running out of iron at this point. Okay, I think afford to kickstart this process. What do we have here? The stacker. We don't have a use for it just yet. Shipyard. This is the shipyard, right? Cannot unload because the shipyard is overloaded with cargo. I see. So cement, where can I store cement? Loose storage or? No, it's actually unit storage. I'll just make this one here and say this is accepting of cement. And these two are accepting of not that, but proper copper. Proper copper. There we go. That should unload most of the stuff here, I think. Okay. No place to dump. Oh, we're again full on this. Excellent. In that case, let's lower your amount of active units, and I'm going to increase this thing's active units in that case. You're also almost out of mining area here. Just then expand this properly. There we go. Excellent. And we're also expanding the stuff here, so we're ready to get some more factories when they are needed. Okay. Excellent. So how's the ship unloading going along? Still going along. Could add another rubber storage here for now. And I could probably order a couple more trucks. I think I can afford them right now. I'm doing quite good resource-wise. Okay, so now that all of those things are handled, we should decide on what direction to go next. Settlement power, that would be for more unity, which I'm not sure I need that right now. Organic, I could go some more into the organic direction. Or I could go, I mean, larger machines wouldn't be bad. Yeah, that would require construction 3, which needs steel as well. Okay, steel definitely is an option. What's this? Okay, this doesn't sound like a bad thing. Just getting essentially more resources out of stuff. Gas combustion. Yeah, this is... Like, gas combustion would allow me to actually use... Wait, so the problem here is... Ah, okay. With gas combustion, then I could combine that with... Which one was it? Somewhere here we had the... Didn't we already research biofuel? Ah, no, here, yeah. So biofuel allows me out of potatoes to make fuel gas, which could then be used. Okay, I guess... Oh, I don't have wheat seeds yet as well. I'll just add a couple of these just so we're researching. We cannot dump resources. Which resources are we unable to dump? Rocks and dirt. Yes, of course. Of course, I think I might need to build more effectively to get past that issue. Should I start like taking it down somewhere with the help of the, how are they called? Retaining walls. Those are iron and concrete. Okay, I definitely, if I want to do that, I do need the silicon, so just wait that out. The state, that's the issue, that thing is done. Okay, in that case, I will now allow you to dump slag and also rock over here. Here. That should help somewhat. Now, since we also have this, I'm going to assume that, considering how well this game is made, how logical it is, it should be able to prioritize dumping dirt into places that I actually want it. You are trying to reach... What are you trying to reach? What's your issue? I don't understand. So you are... Ah, okay. You just needed to update, I guess. So... Okay, the bridge is actually expanding at this point quite nicely. Pum. So roughly here I would want to go. That's more important in this direction, I think. I think the problem is that not enough of them can reach the end here at once, so I would need to widen this. But I prefer to just wait it out a bit. Okay, so you can dump something right now. What is it? Yeah. All of the resources are now assigned to there that they can be dumped. So it shouldn't be an issue. I'm still not sure about the dirt though, because dirt did get quite low all of a sudden. Okay. Ship, are you unloaded? Yes, you are. Excellent. Let's explore some more places. Mining outside of... Ah, yes, I think that's the issue here. That was stupid. There we go. I cannot dump which resource? Rock. You can dump it here. You're allowed to dump it here. I really don't mind if you do. What I could potentially maybe also do is... Ah, this is too rocky. Otherwise, I could have done just like a smaller bridge here, just to help out a bit. But no, that's not an option right now. Okay. How's our wood into coal situation looking? Not perfect. And how's the copper mine? That's fine. Location explored. Ocean drilling technology. Yay. Excellent. Let's go for another thing. Road structures. Yes, I'll work on that. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go for advanced diesel, which I'm indifferent to right now. I'll also grab that and grab that. Power. We still don't have the power thing researched. Why are you not upgrading? Of course. There we go. That's the issue. The trucks couldn't pick up the cargo there because I'm conveying them out. Location explored. Ah, a new settlement. Quick trade offers. Let's see. Anything really interesting? Not really that very much, maybe. No. Maybe this one just for getting more coal. Could get chicken. And contract. This is, I think, more interesting. Like, I would be interested in a different direction than this. Okay, so power generation, crisis management, coal power plant, yes. Okay, so how's our coal supply here doing? Atrocious. How's our coal supply here doing? Better. How is our water capacity in this area doing? Bit worried about using this water here. How's the... Just worried I would use too much of the water from this place. What other options do we have? I can't rely on rainwater, that's for sure. Then the next place is there. That's not really an option right now, even remotely. So how's the desalination? Basic desalination stuff. So seawater pumps gives me seawater, and that gives me water and brine and exhaust, which is okay-ish, I'd say. I'm not sure. I mean, I can still start building the first one. So we will for that need to boil the water. Like that. And then we will be running high pressure turbines. That would be one, that would be two of them, and then 4 wheels, I believe. Let's see. So the boiler produces per 10 seconds 8 high pressure steam, which then goes into 2 of these, yeah, high pressure turbines. And each of these produces 6 megawatts per 10. I think that this is fine, I think. Okay, so then we need to waste these 2 things. So let's go with... Where are you? Where are you? Waste management. That's the thing I was looking for. Smokestack. Let's go like this. That and that. There we go. Okay. So this thing is now completely ready to take over my power production, so I could then stop relying on the diesel generators, which, right, I can set them to priority 15, so that as soon as there's power from any other source on the planet, I don't use up diesel. Okay. You again are whining about the dirt situation. Not sure what to do. Right, I can now say that you always need to output there, right? Yeah. And what I can then also do is add you over here and say you can also be filled with dirt, and you can also start construction instantly, and you can then not be a I mean, I can just allow this to be... Yeah, there we go, there we go. That's it, that's it, that's it. Okay. Now this thing will kick in only for this one, but this thing can... These guys can then drop the stuff there. Excellent. Now, regarding saplings, I think we are... Yeah, we're pretty good on saplings for now. So what I'll do is I'll add this rotation. There we go. That might help, might not. Who knows? We'll see. Well, not help, just slow down the sapling production, because right now we're doing fine with that. But ship. What's your status? You seem to be fine. So we discovered that. Let's go there for now. Trucks, we can afford a lot more trucks. We can afford a few more people. I won't be inviting them just now. Yeah. Okay. What? Why are you not connecting? There we go. Now let's... Did it trigger properly? No. There. Okay, they should improve our lap speed. And you are you outputting anything? Let's wait, let's go back here to research lab 2. This just produces lab equipment and you're just... Okay, for now that's it. Okay. Biofuel, we have biofuel, so we could... The extra ingredients we have, we could work on them. So I think I don't have cannons on the ship yet, so that could potentially be a reason for me not being able to win any fights. Okay, so I just want to check one thing. If I make compost, which I have a million ways of how to do it right now, I then could make stuff out of it, but I could initially just dump it, which I'd say is acceptable. So how would I solve this? This would now then require me to use the U-shape and flat shape active priority sorters. Okay, so this is the one, and then it prioritizes going there. Else it's going, so I could just go like that. Yeah, excellent. I have an idea already how to do this. Yes, I think. So that's for the U-shape. That's for the potatoes. There we go. Oh, no. I would need to place it one further out, I think. Because of the merger point there. Yeah. There we go. And then excess potatoes can go in that direction. Okay, great. Let's turn off planning mode and make this happen. Then we need to do a similar thing for the flat stuff. Can I just say I want this to be higher up? No? I cannot do that. Okay. What I can do is I can bring the vegetables to somewhere over here. Okay, let's go into planning mode for that one actually. Priority would then go there, so let's move you over here. There we go. Shall remove those two. Seriously. I know why. There we go. So that's the priority. Then that's the extra exit that we're gonna ship out somehow. Not sure yet how. And then the other thing would be I need to get... Okay, this is... I think I might be overthinking this too much. Okay. Let's see, if I want to go there, first off, let's get you like to somewhere over there. Then I want to get you connected there. As soon as you're connected, what's it? No, flat, and I can spin this around. There we go. Seriously, I can't go like. Okay. And then this is the waste line. Okay, and then out of here I could then also go like that. So that's fine. That's fine. Let's make that happen. And once I have those two done, I also have this one. Do I need another backup generator? Yes, yes I do. Thank you for noticing. There we go. Let's quickly get that. How's this thing? Could I? This is a lot of construction, 2 parts actually. I'm a bit surprised about that, not gonna lie. So what I will do here is I'll make this. No, I won't make this just yet. Okay. Can I? Now the question is, can this thing process both of my extra ingredients? One lower, there. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay. Good enough, good enough. I'll allow both of the recipes. And I'll see if this actually is fast enough. What do we then need? We need to then be able to store this. We need to store compost and fluid. And there. And compost, we're gonna go like this. Gas, we're gonna go like this. Excellent. So, wait, that this was a priority system. Not sure right now if it's a priority system or not. I guess we'll see. Okay, so this should now give me, after some time, some fuel gas, which I don't yet properly have a consumption for. I do. I can crack it into diesel, which isn't really that bad of an option, gotta say. Yeah, all of these, so I could go with diesel like somewhere over here, prioritize it, and we'll sort that out. Okay, so now the big question is, will this work as a priority system? All trees, saplings could not be harvested. Yeah. I know, it sucks. Right, can I upgrade you? I can easily afford to upgrade you. Next thing is, can I supply you with water once you are in fact upgraded? And that as well, I will make the answer to that be a yes somehow. Okay, let's just go there, there, Now next to the farm, and why am I overdoing this so hard? Overthinking it so massively. There we go. Excellent. Now we have the option to irrigate both of them. Okay. And I just now noticed that I'm sitting really weird in my chair. As if I'm trying to stand away from the desk. There. Okay, much better. I'm trying to get rid of waste, but you can't because I have no idea why. I think it might actually just be the width of this thing causing it problems. But we need this to get to the cement. Still gonna be a while to do that. Which is, I guess, the biggest challenge of this map, actually. Okay, so the next thing is the cracking unit, which will need... The cracking unit is going to need a source of oxygen. And that I already have something, I think. The air separator. Okay. The air separator can produce 12 oxygen per 20 seconds. And add that to the cracker unit. 12 oxygen per... Okay, so our air separator is good enough for a cracker. So I could just crack this over here. Which would give me some water back, even. Not sure if I have a good enough priority system for that to work, but I could try to make it work somehow. So, let's see. Outputs in that direction. Inputs in this direction. Let's just do it like this. There, and I need to void the nitrogen out back into the atmosphere. And need to get the water somehow into this pipes, into these pipes. Okay. Great, and now this gives us a bit of extra diesel that we can just store here for now. Over time, if we can connect it up to the other side. Okay, now the next problem is we don't have enough maintenance. Why? Why don't we have enough maintenance? I'll just, for now, boost it. Then I'm actually gonna move the maintenance depot to here, since I have the resources here to actually automate its production. Well, not to just get rid of the trucks involved in this system. So maintenance depot. This one produces... Actually, this one is even more efficient. Okay. Uses a bit of power, but it is more efficient. So, how do I want to place this? I'm gonna say 5. Do I need actually 5 then? I don't need 5. Go with probably 3. So, I am missing something. I'm missing something. Right, I need these. I need the electronics which are being built here, and I need the mechanical parts which are being built here. So, what I can do is I can grab this and go like over here. Okay. And also connect this. This is great. Now I can say, hey, if I want to go down, I can just take 3, yeah. So roughly what I was expecting. And we are gonna build them from here. There we go. And we're gonna say, we're gonna lower this. Maintenance and unity consumption. Let's say you should be like at 10. So that once this is done, once this thing is not capable of maintaining, this thing can kick in. Okay. Power wise, I should slowly work on enabling this system. Okay. Cold caster, that's for steel, and oxygen furnace is also for steel. Right. Speaking of steel, blast furnace. No. Ah, just molten iron with a lot of oxygen, so I would still just need iron ore as an input. And then a bunch of oxygen. And then just... Ah, and then also water. So water would be an added step, and the oxygen would be an added step to get that output. Okay, okay, I can manage that at one point. Now the question I have is, what do I actually do with steel then? So construction 3, okay. Ah, a better mechanical parts recipe, I guess. Okay, that's nice. Otherwise, not much to do at the current stage, actually. Yeah. Okay. Should work on it, but it's not that huge of a priority. Okay, so this system seems to be working, at least somewhat. You can actually store multiple items. Excellent. And you here are outputting this. Food-wise, we're at 48 months, which... Right, my population grew and the stocks in here are the same, so that's the problem, I think. Now this did not work as I expected. So what I'm going to do is remove this guy and remove that guy. Then I'll go pick up the balancers, and this is the things that I actually wanted to grab. What I could actually do is also this, and also this. Okay, and then new shape balancer. There we go. You can go like that, and you can go like that. There. And now I'm gonna say prioritize outputting in that direction and prioritize outputting in that direction. There. That's built. This is gonna work like intended. No available place to dump rocks. That is not true. That is a blatant lie. I'm not going to start a second place just yet. What I could potentially do... And I could, I guess, have like 3 trucks assigned to here. And then I could say, hey, I want a loose storage, 4 of them. And I say, so this is gonna be rock. This is gonna be waste. This is gonna be slag. Waze didn't detect the slag, and I'm not sure. Compost, I guess. There. Now I'm gonna say import routes. Yeah, you can also assign a fuel station. Okay, now let's say I do this. What happens now? Is my question. And hmm. So they're bringing stuff here, right? That's the step one. So I'm not gonna be doing that anymore. I wanna go this and then over there. And you are all allowed to take out stuff, okay? You have these trucks. Okay. Okay. So that should be fine. And now it's not working. Like these trucks are not picking anything up. They are assigned to this tower. This tower is assigned to import from there. And it is assigned to dump all of these resources that are here. So what's the issue? What's the issue? Can I get some sort of a... Has no compatible excavator. That's just... Yeah. It's not... That shouldn't be an issue. However, I am willing to compromise. Excellent. Not enough maintenance one. Okay, let's boost this. So we're still waiting for this to be built. And you here are complaining because you cannot handle the tree situation. Which I'm not saying you should be able to, but I think you should be able to. There we go. And let's edit the designation. Designation. That was a weird mental typo there. Let's not have that one. And then on this side we can add a bit more of the forest, I guess. There we go. Okay, apparently not there. I guess I should probably make a better path for the cold shocks, but I'll just go with this for now. Okay, so now that we have that, we should have few. No available place to be mined. Okay, what if I do it like this? What if I say, hey, don't do anything else here except for mine? What do you guys think about that, huh? You guys like that idea? So you can't dump the stuff? Or can you? Can you dump the stuff here? Also not. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure this really works like how I want it to work. I turn this off. Let's see. Okay, now you are allowing those things to be Yeah, so the mining designation doesn't work, but the dumping designation does now work. And these places here don't help at all, so I'll just leave that as is for now. And just reset that back to this mode. Farm is full of tree saplings that we know. Let's just remove that warning for now. The small excavator has nothing to do. Also acceptable. What isn't acceptable, however, is the fact that we're running out of copper apparently. Okay. And we're still problematic regarding maintenance. Okay, the boost is helping. Okay, so what's the issue here? The issue is simply we need more. That's the entire issue. Oh, no, no, no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's how it should go. Like that, yeah. There we go. Let's get this done as soon as this stuff is done. So, no, not upgrade. Isn't there a priority thing? No, there isn't. Isn't there? Okay. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, that should all be fine. That should all be fine. Now let's see. Okay, so now we have also boosted our production of these construction parts too, which should speed up the production of the new maintenance building. Are we good with electronics though? I think we might have an issue there with the rate at which we're making them. So what I could do is just upgrade this. First one goes to there, second one goes to there. Then on this side, you go over there. And we have improved that as well. Okay, so that should slowly stabilize. Hopefully, at least. We are scamming the not enough maintenance area now for quite a while. So I think this was the actual problem. So we didn't have the electronics. I'm guessing this eats a lot of them. Yeah, 4 per 20 second, and then you here get some extra. Oh yeah, these 3 now only are enough for 1 laboratory equipment maker. Okay, so we should, after this thing is built now, we should start working on getting the power plant operational. Okay. Copper mine is pretending to be done with its job. Let's cut it like this. Let's say now like that. This will give a surplus of dirt also, but it should start giving copper again soon. Okay. So now the situation is this. We are out of electronics. Like that's essentially it. That's the entire situation right now. We're out of electronics. We could start upgrading the assemblies. And the upgraded assembly, let's just double check. So normal one, it takes 50% more people and it takes power. The power issue is what I'm worried about. So you're getting enough electronic parts. I'm going to do is I'm gonna pause this thing for a bit, just so that we can recover here. And then electronics are being shipped over to that warehouse, which means I could also can set this like that, so it doesn't eat up anything anymore. And we can also then, this is the electronics stuff, try to connect. How far can we go over here? Okay, okay, yeah, this is what I want to happen, so that once this is done, it's done. I can just do this, and I'll start shipping the electronics that way. What? No, 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 no. Other way, other way, other way. There we go. Okay, right, so the laboratory was already eating up all the electronics, and then I need extra electronics for these two. So now that I'm getting some maintenance back, I will actually start upgrading these guys. There. Okay, we can afford to not have the labs running for a bit while we fix the situation. This is actually ×2, this is even better production. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, and now we have all the resources here needed. And good, yeah, good amounts. In which case I'll also upgrade this one, since we can afford it instantly. There. And now this should hopefully restore our electronics situation. So that is electronics is. Where is it? Probably under E. That would make the most sense. So I was constantly producing 8 electronics per time. Then we went to 12 when we built that extra one, and the 2 upgrades now really massively boosted the production. I'm not sure how the inputs are actually gonna survive this change, but I'm hoping they will. Okay. So regarding maintenance, we're doing great. I will unpause this. Ah, right, I could assign those guys to here, I guess. Wait, your assigned area goes to there, which means I can say these trees and these ones over here are also mineable. Not mineable, collectible. Okay. I do want to see, like, there are some. I would like to see roads in this game. I think they didn't add roads proper, but they added some sort of ground things, like ways to prettify the factory. I guess pave, floor, ground, water. No, that's not it. I think they added in the last expansion pack that came out. They added some sort of way to make tiles and stuff. Just electric tiles. Right, I can send you out, and then I can go to here and click in tile. Apparently not that as well. So yeah, the tiles that you can then decorate the factories a bit more, so it's more visible what's where. It doesn't look everything is built on the ground. Okay. So, oh, we're actually out of electronic parts now. Okay. Sorry, not mechanical parts. I can afford the workers. I am, however, very worried regarding the power situation there. So let's see. This would take a lot, a lot of construction too that I don't have right now. However, I seem to be making more construction to at quite a nice rate right now. Cargo ship technology. Okay, okay, okay. And let's also explore that one. Okay, we might get a new cargo ship. Well, not might, we will get a new cargo ship, which would allow us then to trade with. Oh, I. Right, this is, I guess, if you completely run out of people, then you can use this as a backup method. So, mm, I can't really trade anything reliably here. I think I could maybe afford the lab equipment for copper ore. Eh, yeah, I need to explore more. Okay, ship location explored, wheat seeds. Okay, very good. That does allow me to then also start this. Then I need corn and seeds, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I can queue up some more things though. So what's the situation here? We don't have the wood to properly produce coal constantly, which is unfortunate. And this place really doesn't seem to be mining coal out as fast as I was hoping it would. But let's quickly check this. Like, okay, this is quite a good vein constantly. Could start going down somewhere here actually. A bit into the vein essentially. From here maybe. But that will then be another phase of a lot of dirt that I can't get rid of. Okay. What I could right now do is, yeah, let's do it like that, and I'll just keep these empty for now until I decide what I want to do with this. And you can't, yeah, nothing can be dumped right now because this will be overloading the system for a while. Okay. Electricity wise, I'm very worried about the current situation, I think. Okay. How much power am I planning on? So I'm producing, if 4 of you guys would be permanently running, that would be actually good. If you would actually be permanently running, that is. Okay, so loose storage would then go like here and over there. And the water situation. The water situation. How do I solve that? I'm going over basic desalination now. Okay, I'll get that done and then I'll be good. Excellent. You guys are gonna run into a problem soon, I think. How do I solve this? I guess since it was mined to over here already, I'll then switch modes. Say from here I want to go 3 layers down, and then I'll start mining at that layer. Okay, excellent. See, everything seems to be fine. Everything seems to be fine there as well. Okay, very good. What now? What now? I could start preparing something for steel. Let's say over here. Basic desalination. Okay, let's just quickly get this done. So we need a seawater pump for this. So I'll do the thing here. Some part needs to be in the ocean. Yes, yes, I do vaguely understand that concept. So this now gives me the seawater. Where do I then process it? That's my big question. I would assume none of these make any sense. Food production, water, like I pump the seawater out, then I have to thermally process it, I guess. That would make the most sense, right? Just to thermally do something with it. Ah, basic distiller, yes, that's it. That is it. So they like this, and you shall be distilling the water in that way. There we go. Now coal, right, I need to set up this to request a lot of coal. And then I need to have a water dump to get rid of the brine until I figure out what to do with it. And then also I want to go over here. A long way over here. There we go. That's what I want. You shall be dumping brine. Go. And I also need a smokestack for you. Which would be built. Which would be over here. Okay. They should now in theory work, I think. At least. Hopefully. As soon as we get some coal into this. Which would then allow me to start constructing this segment over here, I think. Oh, I could add a pedal coal line to over there. I could go over here. I don't even need to go up in the air, I think. I can just do it like that, yeah. Okay, so you're missing water. Water's missing coal. We got this, we got this. We are missing a bit of the construction material still, but I think they should be coming in quite quickly if I wouldn't run out of power completely, which is bad. How's my fuel situation here? Very bad. Okay, so what's using so much of my energy? I'm guessing... Not actually sure what's using so much of my energy. Oh, you are not going to be using any more energy for a while. Air separator, yeah, you're expensive as well. Cracking unit, you're expensive as well. Okay. And well, since I'm not doing anything with this stuff right now, I can turn that off. You guys can go offline. You can go offline. Okay. We now definitely have a low enough amount. Can I now quickly trade for some fuel? I can, in fact, not trade for fuel. Okay. Not super excited regarding that situation and then. Hmm. So You're not producing? Because you're not producing. Oh, great. It's a loop. Okay, we can't do anything until we get some coal. Because at that point I could trade, at least, get some fuel. But that doesn't seem very likely right now. Okay, so what's using coal for me? This line and this line and this line and also this line. There we go. Okay. How's our coal? 80. Come on. And we're below 80 again. So once we have 80, we can quickly grab some diesel just to kickstart the process again. Pop, pop. And as soon as we get 80 coal again, I'm gonna do this again in the hopes of having then enough fuel. What else can I shut down for this time? Like, until I get enough power, I can't. There's no point in running those things until I get actually enough power to start stuff again. Okay, with it. Groundwater pump, yeah, you can go offline as well. And you can go offline as well. The people are gonna be mad for a bit, but we need to get this solved. Come on. 60. Do I have an extra excavator? I do not. Yeah, this is problematic. So, priority in regards to actually getting resources, so I think that should be higher up. Priority of actually running, that should be low, like that, yeah. Let's turn you guys on like that. So that now that I trade, when I trade again, click on this. Hopefully you guys will get fuel now. As soon as you guys get fuel, hopefully you will start producing again. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. See, where are you going? Looking good, looking good. Looking acceptable. Yeah, there we go. Problem was again simply lack of coal to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order 2 extra excavator and 4 trucks behind that. And as soon as those are done, they're gonna go there. I'm gonna lower the amount of stuff here. I'm going to lower the amount of stuff here as well and make this place really start to run. And also, while that's happening, let's see, layers. So the coal should start somewhere over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start going down like that roughly. There we go. As soon as we get 80 coal again, we can... Right, did I... Okay, I did say you guys have to deliver to there. That's good. And we are trying to get... We can do this. Excellent. Then we can do this. We can do this, and then we can do this. And that should give us enough power to run you and you and you for a tiny bit. so that we start getting maintenance back up. And as soon as that's done, hopefully should start recovering. Hopefully. So, why are you not running? You're not running because you don't have coal. What I can say is I still want to manually deliver coal to you. So what do you have now? You have rocks and dirt. And you have now rocks and dirt, yeah, of course. The biggest problem is I'm not mining actual coal most of the time here. Okay, so what I can do is I can say ignore that, and let's go. Let's completely remove everything over here and just go over there. There we go. Now that's gonna be pure coal, hopefully now, which should help a lot. Situation does mean I can lower the amount of trucks as well. But I think now this should allow the entire system to restart itself. Do I have any hole here? Just a tiny bit. Get that operational. Have a bit of coal here. Okay. We need more fuel. There we go. Then other trucks have to handle getting the coal and everything transported out. Once this thing is... Yeah. There we go. No, small excavator has no and maintenance problems. Maintenance problems because of iron, and iron is now resuming as well as new coal is being delivered. Okay, I think we are stabilizing now finally. Hopefully at least. Okay, we probably can turn on some of the systems. No, actually no, I'm not gonna turn anything on until... Oh, this is done. The bridge. The mighty bridge is done. So I'm gonna be handling that with excavation, I think. What I can do is just expand this. So you potentially have control over those two areas. So what I could do is sand is just like it. Not perfect, but it's fine. Right, what I can also do is say over here, I want you to connect to that place as well. We should be able to dump a lot of stuff now. Coal production is skyrocketing. More importantly, fuel production seems to be finally kicking in. And with that we are stabilizing, finally. Now the question is, how much diesel am I actually consuming? Okay. This should be fine, yeah. No trees to harvest, yeah, I understand your issue there, but I'm not sure. I mean, if you can reach that somehow, then be my guest. Okay, yeah, you can. Okay, then then just have at it, I guess. Okay, let's completely designate this for collection. And boiler needs a way to output. Oh, yeah, this was a slight oversight from my side, I gotta say. Yeah. So, how does this connects like that? Go here and there and there and there. Okay, this is weird. Feels weird, but sure, why not? Okay, and I can actually resume this. And we are producing power. Almost. Yes, we are. Which means you guys should be shutting off. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have stabilized. Now that that's producing the power, I can actually reactivate everything, hopefully. And we'll see now if this is stable or not. Not enough maintenance 1 is still a issue, but we'll get over that soon. How's the coal mining happening now? Nice, okay. Let's go like that. Just gonna dig down until I get to the bottom of this pit. And then I'm gonna just branch out at that point. Okay, so now food is constantly at this amount. Like I'm processing some of it into here, so definitely this is fine. I'm even making some extra fuel. Advanced diesel. Okay, so this is quite a fun thing to do. But like these recipes, yeah, I'm gonna need to use Steam then to actually just crack it into components, and then initially I'm gonna be wasting, if I see this correctly, the heavy oil and sour water, but then I guess later on you get more and more ways how to process them properly, essentially. Okay, okay, you're upgraded, nice. How are you doing over here? You're not getting enough water. You need 8 water per 10 seconds, and I'm capable of producing 6 water per 10 seconds, which means we have a deficit, which means I will be fixing this situation right now. Okay, okay, okay. There we go. But you can process 10 water per 10 seconds. You can provide 18 water per 10 seconds. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. Do I have the resources to build a Tech 2 village? No, I don't. So Tech 1 it is. Let's get that, because I will need more workers now. Let's activate the beacon. 12 months, yeah. It's gonna be a while. And then I'll be able to actually run this system here. Should produce enough power for a while. Hopefully. I might. Hmm. Not sure if a water tank really makes much sense, because even if something's if something goes wrong, yeah, if something goes wrong and I'm starting to lose water, that's just gonna give me 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and I won't notice anything, and yeah, won't have time to react. So I'm not sure that would actually help, because okay, we are gaining population slowly. Oh, we are actually low on dirt. How is that a thing now? Guess I'm making a lot of bricks. Okay. which means I could, with the mining stuff over here, go there, and so I mine some dirt as well. Oh, look at those trees. Okay, we don't have. Yeah, this is gonna be a massive problem. What can I shut down to get those 8 people? These two, I think. How do you know? You still don't have enough water. How do you not have enough water? You should have enough water. Throughput is 1 per... So... Yeah, throughput should be enough here. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. I don't have enough water. Are you somehow kept... Like... You're producing... Oh, I see, I see. So the issue is the pipes can't carry that much water. So what I'm going to do is build a second one, disconnect this, and connect it like that. How much does this take? This takes an extra person, a bit of extra power, but yeah, this is gonna work better then. And you are capable of outputting without a problem, I think. Yeah. Okay. We're still having issues here, but it is getting better, I think. Now we should be getting to the point where it's stable, water production wise at least. Yeah, this is having issues transporting the water, so that should be it. There we go. And now the power generators should be spooling up properly. Okay. Vehicle management 2, so we can have more cars. Okay, that's good. What was I planning on doing with that guy? Don't remember anymore. So let's see. How's our iron? Horrible. How's our copper? Acceptable. Iron reinforcements it is. How's this place doing? Okay, coal is now mostly stable. Now that that's done, so another thing that I could start looking into is, so did you get emptied? Ah, okay. Let's say now I want you to be for limestone and I want you to be for sand. And I want you to output here and here. And I want you to say, we're gonna be mining this place out. Like that-ish. And 2 trucks, 1 excavator. Let's see what happens. Not enough maintenance still. How is that possible? Oh, because of the iron. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Let's remove that part. Start looking into... Okay, let's remove that part. And start looking into going down this way. When you guys get the chance. Dirt. Dirt is problematic. We do have a backlog of bricks and we're not making anything super important right now with the construction one, so I'll keep it as is for now. I think it's acceptable. Okay. Excellent. All of these are fine. Okay. Okay, so I was thinking about that steel production somewhere over here. Let's go into planning mode and just plan it out. Not sure if I'm gonna actually make it happen just now, but so if I go with a single blast furnace, that would give me 8 iron, molten iron per 20, which I would then need to oxygen furnace, 2 of them, which would give me 8 steel per 40. Then I need to cool it with water. Okay, so that would be one of you guys initially going into oxygen furnaces. So like this. Yeah, is it like this? Sort of. Oh, not a fan of that. So I need to get oxygen to both of those. Something like that. Let's for now shut this down. And let's for now... Why can't I deliver the cargo? Oh, I'm still gathering enough. Okay. Small excavator has nothing useful. Good. Not good, but you know what I mean. Random words. Randomly. Okay. Let's go like this for now. Settlement power. That's acceptable. So how's this production area right now? This is working fine. Not sure. Not sure why I'm not getting the mechanical power. Like why I have only this first one working. Why are these ones not spinning up? Since 3 mechanical power gets converted to 2 megawatts. And I should, in theory, be producing 12 mechanical power. Must be missing something somewhere. Okay, so back to planning the steel furnace thingy. Then cooled caster. 3 out. There. So you could go there. Can't I? Wait. Flip. Come on. So you can be like that, or you can be like that. Yeah. This is how I want it. So those similar outputs are next to each other essentially. So we have water input here, we have oxygen input here, we have those 2 smokestacks and that one that I need to connect. I need to go here. I need to go here. Okay. Next thing, let's get that oxygen. Let's get that oxygen there. Production is by air separator. And one of these is enough actually for both of you guys, which is awesome. It would be nice if I could actually incorporate this somehow. Like there. And then let's see. So I need to waste that nitrogen. I need to waste that exhaust from all of those. Go oxygen like over there. Go exhaust all around. Maybe like that. And then slag needs to also be taken out somewhere, somehow, some way. Okay, so let's say okay, what if I go like this? Wait, why don't you want to go over this side? Okay, I'm gonna do it the other way around. I'm gonna start with the oxygen and deliver it this way. And then I'm going to that. And I can say from here to here. I mean, you don't have pillar placements. Just place it like that then. There, and I can then go like here. So everything here is now connected except for the slag. Which guess would have to go like this, and a new line would come from there. And you would be the output going to somewhere like over here. So then I would have I need storage, yeah. So loose storage of slag going out here. And then we need 1 and 2 inputs. And then in the end also a lovely little unit storage there. We said we didn't want to go 3 when we're doing that. One higher up. There we go. Okay. This entire system is not yet ready because I'm missing the water still. Just gonna go like this because I have absolutely no idea how to do this properly. Let's just prepare that one for expansion. And in the meantime, go here. Go here. Yeah. So this is now essentially ready. The cost of it is not as prohibitive as I was worried it would be. Like the power plant here was actually more expensive. But still not gonna build it just yet. We'll wait it out a bit. Okay, how are we? We're not inviting new people. How are we with getting the... Okay, we are ready to grab ourselves a ship. At least do the first stage. I'm not sure if there's multiple stages here or not. So that's ready for steel production. We are now finally stable in regards to iron production. Should I maybe considering have the stuff? I think I should upgrade that. And also I shall also unpause these. So construction parts 1, production. Okay. Would be nice if there was like a timer or something last time since this was started up, so I would have a rough idea when it actually moves. You do not have... Yeah, there's no... really don't get it. I'm not transporting the steam fast enough or what? Everything is below 60 per second, which would be the pipe theoretical maximum. I'm not sure. And even so, even if I'm producing only half the capacity, I still should be running 2 of these wheels. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so I have delivered that. I will now just continue exploring a bit. We are not processing oil enough to make that worth it just yet. So, do we have limestone? No, we have sand. But I should prepare the cement works, I guess. So, let's go here. Let's go cement. But not cement, actually, concrete slab. That's the thing we want. We're gonna be using sand, or are we gonna be using manufactured sand? Let's go with sand. Let's go with sand. Let's go with this specific recipe. And our ship is in battle. That's not optimal, of course. And I'm clicking over everything too fast and not finding what I'm trying to find. Okay, so let's... Am I in blueprint mode? Yes. Not blueprint mode, plan mode. So slag, crush slag definitely, not gravel. And sand. This is one of what I want to use. Regarding water demand, should I? I think I'm actually gonna go with some fluid storage here and just a rainwater harvester for now at least. There. And since we need some time for this to actually fill up, I'm already gonna order that. And now slag crush we're gonna get from there, cement, sand, cement. So let's focus. Sand we're gonna just bring in cement. Cement is the issue we have right now. Rotary clean. So you would be producing 8 concrete slabs per 40, for which you would need 1 cement per 40, which would not even remotely be an issue. Great. And how far away is this? This is Research Lab 3 technology. Not something we can discuss just yet. Okay. And the rotary cleans, we're gonna need a couple of these potentially. That do have the room here to actually go like this. So I'm gonna be exhausting that stuff. This is gonna be split over multiple ones. Go like this. Okay. Organic fertilizer has been researched, which means we should find more things to research. So we didn't find the use for extra pipes, since the current ones were not strong enough. We should look into this. We should look into this and ship armor then, if we're already here. Food market. What's the point of the food market? Storing multiple types of food at the same spot, not... a bit indifferent to that one. Since we're making some fuel gas, this could be a potential venue to go. Flywheel. Okay, sure. And then we have construction 3 we need to get. Recycling, I like recycling. I like faster conveyor belts, larger vehicles as well. Salt for processing. Don't have quite a usage for that just yet, I think. I'm sure we'll find a way to use that. Cargo depots, yeah, sure. Large generators. Okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah, okay, sure. Water recovery, yeah, this is something I would like to get. So this allows me to recover some of the steam as I'm doing the electricity generation. That's fine. Asset, fuel station 2, tree harvester 2. I think I queued up enough things right now. Okay, so where were we in regards to this stuff? Okay, so cement goes out and should go here. Gonna. I'm not sure if I should be doing. If I do this and then I go waste management, flare, smokestack. Yeah, that doesn't really connect, so that's not a proper solution. So I'm gonna just attach the smokestack directly to here. Now we're gonna need two inputs. We're gonna need loose storage for two different things. Let's go like this. And this might actually cause a problem here. We'll see if that actually happens or not. Should go up there, and then back down there. And I'll also already prepare this thing for expansion later on. I wasn't sure, so coal should come into this one. If I wouldn't be typing, that would be easier. And limestone should be coming into this one. There. Then I want sand in this one. Yeah, this is not gonna work like I imagined here. There's no way this is gonna. This needs to be at least 3 away, if not even more actually. It needs to be 5 away from the center line there. So that's 3, 4, 5 away. Then this can be on that layer. And you can then go there and just go one layer up. You can connect like that. Then one more layer above that, we have the slag. There we go. So the crushed slag comes in, and then we need water. Guessing the water pipe can then go over here. Like this for now. So one ring gives us 40% of water. Okay. Not perfect, but I think it should be fine. The question, do you have? Yeah, you do have. Not sure why aren't you refueling everything. Do have enough fuel, I think. Okay. Uh, You can dump, what can't you dump? Coal. Okay, that's not really an issue, I think. Okay. You here are controlling. Huh. We'll need you to actually change your area. Oh, this is also not perfect since I'm dumping onto the sand. Well, fix it. As the saying goes, I'll fix it post, which I of course won't be, but so the saying goes. Okay, so at this point we are ready to make actually the concrete slabs, I think. Let's see, we're looking at not that expensive of a project. Let's start that up. Oh, one thing I forgot to set up here is the shovel output. There we go. There we go. Now that can be built, which will also help with our current coal situation since this is gonna fill up with coal very quickly. So I will need another. I'm gonna go with 3 mining towers in this area actually in that case. There we go. These two. So you are gonna be the dumper. You here are gonna be the clay. No, not clay. Sorry, limestone one. And you shall be delivering to there. You will no longer have any output set, and you here will be delivering to the sand output. I do need to order the appropriate vehicles to make that happen, and your area shall be. How shall I make it? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say, let's do it like that, and let's go down here, and sand tower. You will be using this area for your shenanigans, and you will be mining down like that. Now dump truck, the dump truck consortium, you guys will be expanding there. And with that, how far are we with that? Okay, we're getting limestone there. Okay, slag is being processed. And we are full on concrete slabs. Nice. Okay, let's see what did I miss. We have the transformer. How much power is this gonna be eating up? I'm gonna build it and I'll see. We have the dew pipes. That's nice. We have a larger smokestack, which is also acceptable. We can now make bread, which does not sound like a bad thing. And some animal feed that we can, I think, process in this thing. Oh no, okay. Sure, I can process it into something. I can process it into compost and then... And I can start making fertilizer, organic fertilizer. Okay, so farming-wise, we have quite a few things to do now. Okay. What's the situation here? You still have quite an area to mine out. We're going deep. Will you go like that? Yeah. Okay, that's also fine. Steel I could activate right now, I think. Could I afford that? Yeah, no, not yet. Okay, so now that I have the concrete, no, not what I was going for, sorry. So the concrete slabs, cement, concrete slab, yeah, there we go. We can use that to make construction parts. Ah, so I don't have to use dirt anymore. I could switch to that recipe if I'm... Ah, so in that case, I just don't need bricks anymore, if I understand this correctly. Yeah, yeah. I can just replace bricks with concrete slabs, which I am... I am in that case not sure why I even bother with concrete slabs right now, because let's set up this system to a satisfactory stage, I'd say. Okay. Cargo depot. Where do we want our trade ship to find itself? For this? Sure. You need... you need concrete slabs. It's fine. We have a use for them. There we go. Let's just quickly build that up. Sand place. Let's build you up. Right. How do I have sand actually? I'm not sure about that, to be absolutely honest. Let's just go over the stuff over here. Okay. Oh, and we have our ship. Excellent. What do we do with this ship? That's the big question now. So let's go check the world map. Let's send our ship over there. So we could be collecting from the oil rig here, or we could be doing trade with this area, where we could be trading cement for coal, for instance. But that's a non-renewable for the actually renewable, so not super enthusiastic about that. Okay, I think I just need to explore more to decide for what we're gonna do with our tiny little ship. Okay. This case, let's see what's happening there. It's happening everywhere. Okay. Cargo depot, yeah, that's fine. No designation. You don't have any designation. How's that possible? Can I set up the... This is mining. Ah, right, of course, since I need to dump... Oh, come on. So this is the dump areas. There we go. Ah, location explored. Another ship. Okay, that's nice. Are we with fuel? Acceptable. So we need to now wait for essentially this ramp to be built. As soon as that's done, the excavator can get there and start mining for sand. Okay. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. What else can we do in the meantime? How far are we from better upgrade? Storage, storage, storage. Okay. After the ship stuff is being upgraded, we're gonna be doing that. And we have a power situation here. Why do we have a power situation? I have to be missing something. I'm producing 48. No, I'm not producing enough water. I can only assume. Oh, yeah. Let's quickly build that up. And we are in a bit of a death spiral there. Sure, it's gonna be fine. Can already build a second cargo depot. I could, but I'm not sure I should already. Right. I'm not gonna build a refinery bigger there, so that's gonna be the iron. I think this would be an okay place for the refinery, even though it's close to food, but still. Uh, this is acceptable, yeah. Just so that we can get past some pirates initially. You don't have a place to dump stuff. Sure you don't. You don't have a designated area. Sure you don't. Do not set your area. Edit area. Your area is over here. You are meant to be here. Happy now. Yes, you are happy now. Finally. Finally, happiness has been achieved. There we go. Now the waste trucks can go dump stuff there. Could actually be dumping like rock and stuff in a specific spot, I guess. Okay. And we have guns on our lovely ship. Rear guns, what would that take? That would take... It's not that horrible, but we do probably want to recover first. Okay, let's upgrade to housing 2 first. We are still not... I don't get it. Still not generating more. Ah, okay, now it is building up. Could it? Okay. Upgrade. I don't think it's needed, but I'm still gonna do it. We'll see. Maybe that helps. And also this place. It shouldn't. It really shouldn't be this, but I'm gonna do it just in case. We do have the second wheel spinning up slowly. It's fine. Okay. And we have this expanded. Upgraded village. The first one is built. Now, the liquid fertilizer could be a good objective. So, for that we're gonna probably go into... go with the mixer. That's gonna take just water and compost. Which... we're producing at least some of. And we can produce more of it out of the animal feed. Which we will be getting out of something in the food processing. Here, yeah, the mill. So the mill and the baking unit are in sync with how much in what they need. That's great, that's excellent. Now I could deliver the food. I think I'll deliver the bread that way, just via conveyors. So let's We are in planning mode, it's fine. We do have a water line here, even. We don't have the water though. Okay. Oof. I'm not gonna lie, this is a bit unpleasant. Let's quickly build that. Okay. So this would then... No, 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 no. Can I downgrade it somehow? No. So let's just go manually select normal pipe there. Okay. And for that we need to use the mill. Go over here. This should be a 1-to-1, so this shouldn't be an issue. And we are outputting extra animal feed and we're inputting wheat. So, wheat I could be producing on any of these. And I'm guessing wheat is gonna be U-shape. Okay, so I would need to go through a filter as well to priority system and then filter. Huh. I'm gonna need more space. I'm definitely gonna need more space for this. Right, yeah, I could just have filters going here. Priority now. Filter and then instantly priority into this and then into the waste. And wheat has to come down here, be fed into this system. And then the animal feed stuff needs to be fed into the mixer where it is made into compost. It can be delivered up there. So let's say like this, and you will be producing. There we go. Just need. Oh, okay, you're fine like this. Now you're producing compost, which I can then, with water, make into organic fertilizer. With water, there's water. Organic fertilizer, I guess I should be storing. Since I'm not sure if it's gonna be just constant production or every so often a burst. No. There. No. There you go. And I need to get the fertilizer to over there. Here. So I'm able to fertilize both of those fields. What I'm gonna also do is, I'm just gonna add another farm here, and that one will be just for the wheat production for... No, it won't. Okay, so let's remove all of that. And now let's say I wanna flatten this area. There. Since as soon as this is flattened, I think I'll be able to build this like that. Okay, so I can even go this far. There we go. We are not happy power-wise. Why are we not happy power-wise? What's missing? Coal. Coal's missing. Why is coal missing? Are we not mining enough of it or what? Get 6 trucks mining it. Get up to 8 trucks, 9 trucks. I think yeah, since we're getting into a bit into the dirt area, that's causing the problem since they have to now transport the stuff further away. Okay. Okay. Ship armor. Very good. New refugees. Very good. Let's for now pause this because otherwise I'm going to forget it. Armor. Let's make that happen. Let's make that happen. The trucks are super busy now due to that, which is fine. Fertilizers overview. Organic fertilizer. Doesn't go. One for. Okay. Not perfect, but I guess acceptable-ish. Okay, our massive lack of water could be an issue. I'm not sure all of these pipes are actually strong enough to deliver the amount of water that's needed. So 36 per 60, 36 per 60, yeah, that's just plus. Yeah, I'm gonna need stronger pipes, I think. And even with rain right now, I'm not properly recovering. I guess the water level might actually improve now with the rain and the internal tanks might fill up. So I might get a bit of a buffer. Yeah, slowly it's going up. Okay, so armor was applied to the ship and 1 gun was applied to the ship. Can I afford a second gun? Barely. Let's go. Let's also then go into here. Mining designation. This is producing a lot of dirt, so I'm not gonna change anything. One of them is down there, the other one up there. That's fine for now, I think. Coal here. Let's make this bigger. Great. How's my designations here? You should be requesting it, right? Yeah. You're you're not allowed to export from here. That's also important. Yeah. And now what I can do is no, right, I don't need to actually export. Sorry, I don't need to export here. I can just leave it like this. Just going with dirt and rock. Dirt and rock, I can, for the bigger ones, say you will be rock based, you will be dirt based. Both of you should be actually built. There we go. And that should allow me to actually lower the amount of trucks needed for this place. Excellent. How's the filling in happening over here? Acceptable. Okay. Small excavator. Do you think it's that bad? Come on. You got this, you got this. Wait. That, yeah. Go deeper. What could possibly go wrong? The ocean isn't just a couple of meters away. It's fine. It's fine. It's completely fine. Keep this empty, keep this empty. Never mind, guys, you're not allowed to keep it empty. Like that. Oh, okay. I'll just leave it like this for now. This is fine. And I think I'll take a break at this point. Yeah, I'm becoming very unconcentrated. So let's go like this. Save, new save, stream, save. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope somebody will join next time and we'll have a great time. So thank you and goodbye.